The importance of environmental conversation. The environment is our planet life support system, and protecting it is one of the most important responsibility of humanity. From the lush rainforest that provide oxygen to the vast ocean that regulate climates every part of the earth. Ecosystem plays vital role in sustaining life. Over the last few decades, human activities have significantly altered the natural balance, leading to challenges such as climate change, loss of biodiversity, and pollution. Addressing these uses is not just an ethical obligation, but a necessity for survival. One of the main challenges is deforestation. Every year, more than 10 million hectares of forest are destroyed, equivalent to an area roughly the size of Portugal. Forests are home to around 8% of terrestrial species and play a crucial role in absorbing carbon dioxide. When they are cut down, not only do we lose biodiversity, but we also accelerate global warming. If for life, reforestation, and sustainable logging can mitigate this effect, but they require global cooperation. Another critical issue is plastic pollution. It is estimated that more than 300 million tons of plastic are produced annually, with at least 8 million tons ending up the ocean. This has catastrophic consequences for marine life, as animals often mistake plastic for food. Initiatives like reducing single-use plastic and promoting recycling have gained momentum, but much more needs to be done. Education and awareness are key to driving this change. Climate change is arguably the most pressing environmental issue of our time. Since the late 19th century, the Earth's average temperature has risen by approximately 1.1 degrees Celsius. This may not seem like much, but even a small increase can lead to severe consequences such as a rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and habitat loss for countless species. International agreements like the Paris Accord aim to limit global warming to below 2 degrees Celsius. Achieving this goal will require a transition to renewable energy, more energy efficient technologies, and widespread adoption of sustainable practice. The loss of biodiversity is another alarming concern. Scientists estimate that we are losing species at a rate 1,000 times faster than the natural exhibition rate. This rapid decline threatens the stability of ecosystems which depending on a variety of species to function effectively, protecting natural habitats, creating wildlife corridors, and enforcing and poaching law are of the steps that can help preserve biodiversity. Water scarcity is also a growing problem. Around one of three peoples globally do not have access to safe drinking water. This crisis exacerbated by overdose pollution and climate change. Sustainable water management practice such as rainwater harvesting and wastewater recycling can help address these issues. While these challenges may seem overwhelming, they are reason for optimism. Innovation in technology are providing new solutions to environmental problems. For instance, advances in renewable energy have made solar and wind power more accessible and affordable. Similarly, scientific breakthrough in biodegradable material other hope for reducing plastic pollution. However, technology alone cannot solve this problem. Collective action and individual responsibility are equally important. Each person can make a difference by adopting eco-friendly habits, Simple steps like reducing energy consumption, minimizing waste, and supporting environmentally conscious companies can contribute to broader change. Community can organize a clean up drive, tree planting event, and educational campaign to promote conversation. Government, on the other hand, must implement policies that prioritize sustainability, such as subsidies for renewable energy, stricter pollution control, and incentives for green business. In conclusion, environmental conservation is rated responsibility that requires effort and all levels, individual, community, and global by understanding the interconnected of ecosystem and the impact of human activity. We can take meaningful steps toward a sustainable future. The time to act is now because the decision we make today will shape the world for generations to come. Question and answer. Why is deforestation a major environmental issue? Deforestation is a major issue because it leads to the loss of biodiversity, accelerates global warming, and disrupts the carbon cycle. Forests act as carbon sink, absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide. When trees are cut down, this stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. Additionally, forests are home to about 8% of terrestrial species, and their destruction threatens countless plants and animals. 2. How does plastic pollution affect marine life? Plastic pollution severely impacts marine life as many animals mistake plastic for food, leading to ingestion and other death. It is estimated that around 1 million marine animals die each year due to plastic wasted. Moreover, microplastics, which are tiny plastic particles, enter the food chain and can eventually impact human health. 3. What are some solutions to combat climate change? Combating climate change requires a multiple-faced approach. Key solutions include transition to renewable energy sources like solar and wind, increasing energy efficiency, and adopting sustainable agriculture practice. International agreements such as the Paris Accord also play a vital role in uniting countries to collectively limit global warming to below 2 degrees Celsius. 4. Why is biodiversity important for ecosystem? Biodiversity ensures the stability and resilience of ecosystem. Each species has a role to play from pollination to nutrient cycling. The loss of species can disrupt this function and lead to ecosystem collapse. For example, the decline of pollinators like bees can severely affect agriculture and food production. 5. How can individuals contribute to environmental conservation? Individuals can contribute by adopting eco-friendly habits such as reducing energy use, recycling, and minimizing waste, supporting companies that prioritize sustainability, and participating in community initiatives like cleaning up the tree planting event can also make a significant impact. Personal choice, when combined with collective action, can drive meaningful change in conserving the environment.